Oh, he's peeing.
Oh,
No!
Go! It just broke my fucking mirror. It literally just broke the mirror of my new fucking car.
Well,
so
sorry.
It says zoosafari right here. Zoosafari. So cute. Look at him. So cute.
Jesus.
No.
What the fuck is that? Oh, here they all come, Caitlin.
Jade!
Stop scaring me!
Oh, I wasn't even looking.
Get out of the street! No, don't hit my car, please.
You're so fucking scary.
Dude, this one looks like it did hardcore drug.
No.
Drug.
Hi! Oh!
Caitlin, it looks like you. Show it in the camera.
Oh my god, please don't touch me. Please don't. Oh no!
Oh, he's gonna run it over. Oh, dude, he's dumping.
Why is it in
He got run.
Hi! Can I pet you? Oh, look, it let me No.
Bugs, dude.
No.
Yeah. Oh, fuck.
Here!
No.
Yeah.
No.
Why is it doing
Hey.
it?
Ow, dude, that shit hurts. Hey, bitch.
Go! Bitch, get out!
Shoot.
With you, boy, real, wasn't real. With you, boy, you won't give me too much chances. I don't care, I'm fine, I'm fencing brighter. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye.
Look at his tongue, dude. Look at it. Oh my god! It looks like a snake! Get it away from me! It looked like a snake. I don't like snakes. Okay, I don't like giraffes. Oh my god, why does it look mad?
Right here, I'm gonna feed it. I'll feed it.
It looks mad. This is not... Hello?
Gotta give it to him so he'll come.
No. Get your tongue away from me.
You're gonna give the whole thing.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna... Okay. No, you...
Oh.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Would you like one?
Hello? Can I
Here,
pet you?
okay. I did it! I fed a giraffe. I just did too.
You like the carrots?
Oh, get that tongue away from me.
Right, no, okay, he's gonna break his neck off.
Okay, don't give him any more.
Okay, don't.
All right.
Get out of the car,
All right.
sir.
Goodbye, buddy.
You're done.
Don't throw up on me.
Stop.
Get away.
Just start driving.
No, because he's gonna break
Just
his
drive
neck.
slowly. No, he takes his head out. Here, how do you feed it? Like this?
Yeah, I always do like with your fingers.
He dropped it in here. Sir. Okay.
Grab it.
I'm scared. I can't do it. I can't do it.
Ow.
No.
He bit me.
Take it. God, I threw it. Because he kept.
Gotta be nice to it.
Dude, it dropped it in here like 6 times.
Okay, wait, I gotta like.
They hurt.
What's up, buddy?
Here, you want to give him a carrot?
Hey.
Oh.
Hey.
Hey. No, flat. You have to do it flat, or he's gonna bite. Go away. No.
Like this.
No. Drive away. He's really close to my face.
My e-brake's on.
You got it? Oh, I'm scared. I
He's
can't.
really close to my face.
I'm gonna cry.
Like what? Like this. So he can't bite you.
Is that good?
Yeah, like that.
Is that a good carrot? Oh, he's peeing.
Oh,
No.
Go! It just broke my fucking mirror. It literally just broke the mirror of my new fucking car.
Well,
so
sorry. Oh, I don't know if my camera got it, but the zebra broke the mirror.
Okay, I'm done. No. I don't want you in here. You have snot everywhere.
Got muddy snot.
Keep coming. Yeah. Oh!
Hi! Oh, this big guy's coming. Oh god.
chances, I don't care, I'm fine, I'm fancy bright.